Oh, hey everybody. My name's Chris Hamilton, award-winning tattooist extraordinaire here at Fallen Owl Tattoo in Lakewood, Colorado. This year is my 25-year anniversary of tattooing, so I wanted to do something to commemorate and celebrate by giving back to some other things that I'm super passionate about, which is animal rights and animal welfare. So 100% of the proceeds from the raffle benefit are going to go to our friends at Wolf Shepherd. This is Aaron, and he can tell you all about Wolf Shepherd and what they do.
Yeah, so with Wolf Shepherd, our mission's simple. We just want to raise money for wolf conservation, whether that's attending events, selling shirts and stuff online. 20% of everything goes to wolf conservation. We donate to different companies depending on the time of year who needs it most. But right now, with Chris's event, we're going to donate everything that's raised to Predator Defense Fund. And you can visit Predator Defense Fund at predatorfencefund.org.
Over about the next 6 weeks or so, you can come by and purchase a $50 raffle ticket. At the end of that 6 weeks, we're going to announce the winner. They're going to get 3 hours or $450 worth of tattooing from me. On Sunday, August 5th, we're going to close the shop and have a big party where you're all invited with food, plenty of beer, and announce the winners of the raffle and have some other little raffles for some other artwork as well. If you guys have any questions about anything else that's going on, give the shop a call. Check out our social media, our Instagram, our Facebook, and there's going to be some flyers, and hopefully we'll see you on the 5th.